Hola clase, ¿cómo están? En este video voy a hablar sobre los adjetivos descriptivos. So in this video, we'll be talking about descriptive adjectives in Spanish. Muy bien. So adjectives are those words that describe nouns. And in Spanish, usually adjectives are written after the noun, they modify. Not always, maybe 95% of the time, adjectives come after the noun in Spanish. In English, we usually put the adjective before the noun. So for example, flor azul literally means flower blue. Flor is flower, azul is blue, right? But in English, we don't say flower blue, we say blue flower. So here, we have the adjective after the noun in Spanish, and in English, we have the adjective before the noun. Another example would be casa grande, and that is literally house big. Casa is house, grande is big. But in English, we don't say house big, we say big house. Third example, línea gruesa. Línea is line, gruesa is thick. Okay, so it's literally line thick. But in English, we wouldn't say that. We would say thick line. Muy bien. So adjectives in Spanish match gender and number of the noun that they are modifying. So just like nouns, they can be singular, plural, feminine, and or masculine. If an adjective ends in an O, it means it's masculine. To make that same adjective feminine, just switch the O out for an A. For example, el hombre alto. That would be the tall man. So notice the adjective is the masculine form, alto. So if we want to make hombre feminine, if we want to make a man woman, now we have la mujer, so we have to change alto to alta because it's feminine, right? So la mujer alta would be the tall woman. If an adjective ends in an E or a consonant, it can be used for both feminine and masculine nouns. El hombre joven, for example, would be the young man. So notice here the adjective ends in a consonant, ends in N. So if we want to change this now to feminine, the descriptive adjective doesn't change, right? So now it's la mujer joven. El hombre joven, la mujer joven. These two don't change. Okay, next example, el perro grande. That would be the big dog. Okay, if I want to change perro to the feminine form, I get perra. Notice though, when I say the word big, it doesn't change. So we don't have a change in gender here. It's still grande. Grande, el perro grande for the masculine, la perra grande for the feminine. So to make an adjective plural, you add s at the end if it ends in a vowel, and es if it ends in a consonant. So for example, el gato inteligente would be the intelligent cat. If I wanted to make that plural now, it would be los gatos inteligentes, the intelligent cats. La tarea fácil would be the easy assignment. Fácil. If I want to make that plural, it would be las tareas fáciles. So I'm adding the es here to make that plural, the easy assignments. So normally we use ser when we're talking about descriptive adjectives in Spanish, but you can also use a star. Ok, eso es todo, clase. Muchas gracias y hasta la próxima.